Thank you, Toastmaster Ashwin. After delivering so many speeches in Toastmaster, I thought Toastmaster Ashwin would say, the next speaker I'm going to invite need no introduction. But it seems that I need all the introduction that I can get for the audience to know about me. Such a poor fellow I am. Well, let me take all of you to my childhood. When I was a child, I grew passion for acting. I envisioned that someday I would be a rock star and more than that. And people would see me and tell, here comes the next rock star, Gopal, the life star. Yes, I want to be the star of many lives in this world. Only to realize that I had very less followers than what I am following in Twitter these days. I participated in acting, theatre, drama, everything. Only to realize that I can do only one role in a very good way. That is of a beggar. Allah ke naam pe de Baba. Please give me something in the name of the God. See how well I do. I could have become rich by what I am earning in Qualcomm right now. Yes. Although I couldn't uplift my career as an actor, but I still believe that I can do something great. That is why in 2013, I decided to keep my mail ID as Gopal the Lifestar 2013 at the gmail.com. Yes, it's still there, and you can still mail me. I can still reply you on that. So at least I couldn't do something, but I knew that someday it will happen. Now that I knew I couldn't do any acting, I decided to grow my passion for cricket. I thought there is no player from Assam in Indian cricket team, so let me be one. Yes, and let me be very good at bowling because we always shout on the bowling part of the Indian cricket team. So I decided to practice bowling day and day night with my brother because my fellow mates didn't take me to cricket team. And whenever I went there for a cricket match, the only role I got was a water boy. Water please, water please. But then I never gave up. I decided that I will practice day and night. I will practice hard. And finally, I could see that I could bowl out my brother on every single delivery that I was doing. And I got that temporary gratification that I am now prepared for Indian cricket team. And I challenged the local cricket team captain, can you hit even 1 4 on my 6 balls? Actually, he hit 6 sixes on my 6 balls. That day, my dream of becoming a cricketer has failed miserably and it broke like a glass. I couldn't help. No. This time I didn't form a mail ID like Gopal the cricket star at the gmail.com. It's better to be kept quiet and than being humiliated, right? So that's how my childhood spent, and I decided to enter college. Now when I entered my college, I decided that I will grow a passion for becoming something like a Casanova. Yes, thanks to the Playboy magazine and the Cosmopolitan magazine that were available freely on the internet, and I could read all of them. So I decided to propose all the girls and have a lot of fan following in the college. I shaved every day. I went to gym to grow muscles. And I took bath every day. And finally I was all set to propose the beautiful girl of our college, Pooja. No, not Pooja Singh. Pooja. Yes. And in order to impress Pooja, I decided to read this book called Losing My Virginity by Richard Branson. Yes. I decided to mug a few quotes from there, and the next day I went close to Pooja and said, Pooja, screw it, let's do it! What? Never say never. What? What do you think you are? Who you are? Ask and it is given. I got a slap from the most beautiful girl, and it was so embarrassing. See, my dream of becoming something like a Casanova again failed miserably that day. Such a poor fellow I am. Well, after passing out of college, I decided to land up to this very beautiful city, actually waterless, concrete city called Bangalore, where I decided that I would do something here. And then I stumbled upon this club called Kormangla Toastmasters Club. I went there one day and saw two prepared speeches. After hearing those speeches, I was amazed. Oh my God, such a beautiful speech. Even I can also deliver these speeches. And the next week, I blocked my slot without getting any mentor. And then the tag team report came. 15 hours, 12 worms, 13 O's, 4 O's, 5 C's. What not I delivered that day. And rather than introducing myself, I introduced my ex-girlfriend, my ex to ex-girlfriend, my relatives, my family members, my every other thing, rather than myself. In fact, the evaluator came and told, did you deliver the speech in English language? Or it is something else, your native? That was the situation I had. But then, Toastmaster is a very cooperative platform, and we all help each other to grow ourselves as a person. That is why I could come here and deliver a speech in front of you. In fact, I got mentored the next day itself. And my mentor told me that you go ahead for elections, you are a very enthusiastic guy, you can lead a team very well. And on the election day, even my mentor didn't vote for me for the VPPR role. I lost the election badly. But again, I never mind. I decided to change the club altogether and decided to join Sajapur Road as a president. See, if there is a will, there is a way. Now, these are some of the passions that I had, and I have recently developed few more passions. But then, I will not talk about these passions right now, because otherwise I will not get any speech slot from Toastmaster Malvika. I have requested for this speech slot from past 1 month. It is so difficult to get a speech slot here. So if you really wanted to know more about my passions, then you better request Toastmaster Malvika to get a speech slot from me. Till then, bye-bye, take care.